everyone, and welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration Decor and Designs, and my name is Phyllis. In today's video, I am so excited to be sharing this with you all. If you watched my video that I uploaded about a week or two ago, and it was when I completed my bathroom project that I started in January of 2020, it's the half bath that is off of my foyer next to my living room. I put up this wallpaper that was gifted to me by a company, and I painted the trim and what was in between the trim as well. If you look at the floor, it's the linoleum rollout. Well, my daughter sent me an app, a link to an app that Home Depot offers, and I'm pretty sure Lowe's does too, to where you can take a picture of a wall and paint it to see what it looks like, or choose a paint and it'll put it on the wall for you. Well, the app she sent me does the same thing, except it's for putting down flooring. Well, I was tossed up of what to do. Here is my bathroom. However, that flooring is not my flooring. This is the app that I used, and I was trying to decide whether to use wood or marble. I looked at the marble up against it, and it was too busy up against the wallpaper. But when I saw this down there, I absolutely love it. Well, I happened to find the peel and stick paper wood look from Amazon that is so close to this. So if you'd like to see how this all came together, then just keep watching, and I want to thank you all for stopping by. Well, here is the box of floor peel and stick wood look tile, and when I saw the length of the box, I was really skeptical because, and I don't even know if I just said that word correct. Because of what it said the length of it was. Let me find it on Amazon and show you. Okay, so here is when I ordered it, and I just received it, but it says it's where is the, okay, there it is, 35-inch long by 6 inches wide. So this is what it looks like. It's peel and stick, and it had a video, but this is what it'll look like. And I got this for my little powder room, the one that I just did. It says it's water resistant, easy to cut, wear resistant, waterproof, foldable, and easy to cut. And it's just showing how thick it is. But I was surprised when I looked at the box. I'm saying, okay, so that's not 36 inches long. But I opened it up, and it comes in a roll. I ordered 2 rolls. There's 10 pieces. Okay, so right there it says 10 pieces, and it's self-adhesive, waterproof, and I'm putting it in my powder room. This peel and stick, it has the wood grain look, which it does, and I like the way it looks. Okay, so I've opened it up. It's on the roll. What makes it look like a whole lot, they have this big styrofoam thing in the middle, but it's supposed to be 10 sheets. That's 6 inch by 35 inch. And like I said, I did that on before I ordered it. I looked at it on my tape just to see, and I said, okay, I think this will work in my powder bathroom. And the feel of it, it does have the texture. You can feel the texture of it, and it comes in these rolls like this. I've never ordered this before, so, and it's supposed to be 10 sheets or 10 rolls. It's not a strong scent. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so let me see if I can take out. All right, it is. Oops. Okay, it's what you would get in the box, and it's peel and stick. And I love the color tones in it because it's grayish. I'm calling it a grayish, basically, because it looks brown and gray and has the knots in it. And then it'll blend good with my carpet. Like transitioning from my bathroom to my carpet. But what I'm going to do, so I don't have a rough time, I'm going to take these and roll it the other way so I can kind of get the bend out of it. Okay, now I can show you. And I like it. I love the color of it. So I'm not going to do it yet because I need to clean and mop my floor. Like I said, I just got this in the mail. I ordered it yesterday, which was Monday, and just got it today. Just got it like 15 minutes ago. So I'm going to go and clean my floors, take everything out, and then I want to lay all of these pieces out just to make sure I got enough, because I don't want to start it and then don't have enough to finish it and have to wait for another order. I'd rather do it all at one time. So let me go do this and I'll be right back. Okay, here I started laying it out. And this is, let me see, I got 3 pieces left from just the, hold on. No, 2 pieces left to lay down before I go to the other pack. So this bathroom is small enough where I only needed 2. So it cost me, it's $22 for 1 pack. So like I said, that is about, so it's under $50. I'm trying to just calculate in my head real quick. So it's under $50 just to do my small bathroom. I'm the only one that lives here in my home, and this is in my bathroom, so there's not a lot of traffic going on down here. My only thing is saying it's waterproof. That's on the top. It reminds me of poster board. So that's probably the only thing that's getting wet, but that's not going to stay on there. So I'm pretty sure if they said it's waterproof, they put something under this to make it waterproof. Not just only on top, but under it as well, because reading directions didn't say that you needed to do any kind of underlayment or anything. It just says you can lay it right on top of your existing flooring. I'm putting it on top of this linoleum that has been down here since I had this home built in 2014. So I'm doing things that's on a budget that I can afford. When I say a budget, I'm talking about something that is really, really affordable. My budget, when I say budget, I'm not talking about anything that's $5,000 or anything. That's not a small budget. To some it might be. For me, it's not. I'll put it like that. So with me, a budget, I'll try to stay up under, and this is even high for me, $1,000. That's even a lot. But I like to stay up under 500 and under. 500 is still at the top of the scale for me, but I like to challenge myself. So doing this here floor is under $50, like I said, because it was $22, just a little over 22, so we'll round it to $23 for 1 box of 10. So a total of 46, so again, under $50 just to do the floor. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish laying out, and I'm gonna put the pieces down that's already down so I can cut and walk on it and lay out the pieces that goes in the spaces behind and up against the sink. Okay, I started putting it down, and I'm actually using this thing here to press it, and I'm taking my time. Last little piece. Okay, I'm going to stagger it now that I showed in the clip before this one. And I'm just going to lay down one at a time. So this is going to take me time because I want to make sure I put it down right, because I don't want to have to pull up anything. Once I get them all down, the ones that I get down, then I'll show you how I'm going to fill in the spaces. Okay, so the next one, I butt it right up to the threshold here, and so it can stagger. So I have that one to follow for every other one, and this one to follow for every other one. And once it gets up to the base of the toilet, that's when I'm going to use the backing from this paper to make a pattern to trace out onto the back of the boards that's going to go up there, and use my scissors to cut. So I got it down, and then I used my thing that I use for my wallpaper to actually make sure it is up in here really good. And because again, this is scratch proof and it is working. So I'm using the sponge thing that came with it. And I'm doing down in here. I'm using the sponge piece to help put it down. Then just making sure that is really down. So I'm going to go ahead and do the staggering of the pieces, and then what I'll do is I'll come back and fill in these spots. And I like it because it doesn't raise up to where I would have to remove this. Okay, so I'm going to complete this, like I said, up to the toilet, and then I'll come back. Okay, I wanted to show you that I was able to cut around this because I can fit it up under the door jamb. I have to wipe that so it can stick. But what I did was I put it down, and then I used this to press up against it, to use this to cut it. And this is the piece that came off, so it was up against here like that. Then I pressed this here, and then while I was pressing it, I cut it, and then I used this as a measurement to go down. And then I just cut a little piece off the top of here because it was butting up against this. So now, and I didn't take the backing off yet. I did it just to make sure it fits. And then after pressing it up against it, it fits. So I'm just pulling I got it to here. I'm just pulling the paper off and pressing it down. But I'm gonna go ahead and get some wipes to wipe that dust and dry so the backing of this can stick. And then I'll show you when it's done. Okay, I got it under there. I was even able to fit this under there to press down. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and now lay as much as I can until I get up into the sink, and then I'll start drawing, what do you call it? Not drawing, but making patterns. That's what I'm calling it anyway. To lay here with the backing to put on top. Okay, I laid those down and I cut the template or pattern. Alright, for around here, I just took a piece of paper, pushed it up past here so that I can trace this, and then traced the top of this one to make an imprint, and then I just cut it out. So that's what I'm going to do with that side, and then I'm going to do that around to that side as well as the back on that side, and I'll be doing the same thing to this. So basically just using the backing from the peel and stick contact paper because it's flexible and it's soft and easy to trace, and just lay it up against. And what I did was it went past this, and I was able to just trace around to get to this shape and lay it down. So I'm going to lay this on the back side of the peel and stick flooring, and to make sure that it's turned the right way. So you don't want to put it on like this. You want to put it on the back side so that you are getting it traced on the correct side. You would not turn it like this and trace it. You would turn it like this, and that's how it would be. So I'm tracing this whole thing out, cutting it out, and that'll be the part that lays on there. Okay, I got it down. So I will be putting caulk around it. Okay, I am done with my floor and I love the way it turned out. Now I'm pointing here at the piece that I put around the sink. After looking at it, I really didn't care for it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tint the caulk with 3 colors of acrylic paint that I have to blend in with the flooring: dark gray, light gray, and khaki. And I'm going to put that around the toilet and around the sink, and I will show that at the end of the video, but it turned out perfect. It's all done. Let me shut the door so I can wear around here. Now in this video shot here, the floor looks like it may be brown, but it's not. It is gray. That's only because of the lighting. I don't have my ring light that actually broke it. So we're just looking at how the light from the vanity lighting that's over the sink is kind of a shadowing effect, and it's making it look brown. But you'll see when I open up the door to go back out of the bathroom, you'll see the true color of it, the gray. I love it. Now the one thing I noticed that I did, you see how I have it, what do you call it, staggering? I forgot to do it right here, but the rug is going to be there. I started staggering again. I just forgot to do it in this area. You can see what I'm talking here. See, there's one there, there, and then I just forgot here. So I started up there, came down a little. But it turned out so nice, and it feels good up under my feet. Now here is the before where the arrow is pointing. That's where I filled in using the tinted caulk, and it turned out perfectly. Here's the after around the sink and the toilet, and I love the way it looks seamless. Now, this is not the end. There is a part 2. Soon as you get through looking at this, go right to video number 2, because I'll be sharing with you how I put the wallpaper that is in this bathroom. I took it up to the ceiling. The company that sent this to me, they no longer carry it, but I did find it on Amazon. I will link it in my description box below for those who are interested. And if you are interested in putting something like this on your floor, I would check with the landlord. I would not call this a renter-friendly material to put on your floor unless it's okay with the landlord. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you like what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. And for my faithful viewers, thank you so much for stopping by and supporting my channel. Again, don't stop here. Go straight to video number 2 so that you can see how I applied this wallpaper to the ceiling, and then I will be giving you a full view of the bathroom from bottom to top. And again, I want to thank you all for stopping by. Now go over to video number 2. Thank you so much for watching JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.